Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, we got this orangey, burnt orange kind of vibe giving Kim Possible, not so much straight bust down type of vibe. Y'all, I didn't want to do too much to this look. I really kind of just wanted to keep it as is. Don't ask me why. I just really did not care to do the extra stuff. And honestly, this color does enough for itself, so I didn't feel the need to do anything extra because it's already talking, okay? If you want to see how I installed this wig and just did a quick little 1-2, y'all know how I get, y'all know how this goes, then keep watching. y'all, so I didn't know what I wanted to do with this look, to be honest, and I did want to tie it down a little bit more just to get it a little bit more flat, kind of like this type of vibe. But y'all, I'm so scared to go close to my ears. This is why I always prep the wigs on the dome head, y'all. I always tell you how important it is to do that, because you could get it as flat as you want on the dome head, but when you're working on a client or yourself, it's just kind of like, I gotta be careful, because if I burn myself, this is not gonna be cute. So either way, we still got it nice and flat and laid. I did not do anything to the ends. I didn't blunt cut them or anything. I just decided to just keep it straight, keep it just regular and cute. Really didn't do too much. Nice bust down middle part. I do want to add a little bit of concealer, but I cannot find my light concealer. It's always when I'm doing certain things, it's like every single time, usually things are placed where they are, and then as soon as I need them, I just don't find them. I hate it. Anyways, y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Let me zoom out so y'all can see the hair a little bit better. So this is how the hair looks, and I think the hair looks so pretty on my skin, especially this color. Tell me this color don't eat, especially if you add like a nice loose curl. Oh, this would have been cute, like a nice Kim K loose curl. This would have been real cute. And maybe with a root. Nah, I don't know about a root. But anyways, y'all, let me know what y'all think about this video. Like if you like this video, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.